Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Arith Fun and Games. In today's video, we're going to be doing a special manga unboxing. It is One Punch Man. Woohoo! So this is a special manga box I got from Flipkart. This is the back. As you guys can see, this is Genos. I'm pretty sure that's Genos. And this is Saitama over here, the man, the myth, the legend himself. This is Saitama, as you guys can see, and this is the front, which looks absolutely amazing. So this box set has 21 volumes. I know there are 29 or 31. I don't have all of them, but I have till 23. So this is still 21 volumes. So I got this in Flipkart for about 2000 rupees, which is reasonable, not bad. So why don't we reveal them together? Wow, the interior is amazing, not gonna lie. Like, this is so good. So this is the first book. This is the interior, by the way, as you guys can see. It's all the same spine. I don't know why it came like that. It's okay, at least I got books. Let me see if the book is good. Whoa, this is the first book. It looks amazing. Look at that. That's Saitama. Is he punching a wall? Is he holding cabbage in his hand? Like, damn, look at the inside. Look at the inside. The printing quality, like, this is amazing. Wait, let me just find the scene where he says, I'm doing this for fun. That scene was amazing. Look at this. Such a great thing. Like, damn. If you guys want to buy this, I'll give you the link in the description down below. So that's the first book. Now let's check the second book. Whoa, this is Genos. He looks so cool. Look at the back. He looks so cool. So cool. This is the third. What is this? Oh, isn't this Speedo Sonic? Damn, he looks fire, not gonna lie. This is the back. Now the fourth one. I'm most excited for like the ones above 10 because their front page is crazy. Look at this. Fourth book. Isn't that... That's Bang. That's Class S Hero. This is Saitama swimming in a pool. I don't know why he's swimming in a pool, but okay. This is book 5. This is Movement Rider, guys. This is Movement Rider. And this is the back. This is the 5th book. Movement Rider is not a bad hero, actually. He's actually a very good hero. This is book 6. Puri Puri Prisoner. Not bad, not bad. Not gonna lie, that's actually very good. This is book 7. Boros, the first hard enemy that Saitama fights, but he still destroys Boros like hell. I've watched season 1 myself. It's so good. This is book 8, King and Saitama, as you guys can see. This is book 9. Give me 1 second. Why is everything falling? Oh no. Book 9. Why is it falling? Give me 1 second. This is book 9, guys. This is book 9. As you can see, this is the back. I'm pretty sure her name is Blizzard. I forgot. I really don't remember. This is Tatsumaki. As you guys can see, this is Class S Hero. This is Metal Bat. He looks amazing. Not gonna lie. This is the back. And next we have, oh, this is actually a very good villain, Garo. He looks scary with his white hair, but he's a chill dude. But he's the villain of season 2, I'm pretty sure. I haven't read the whole thing. Now, who is this guy? Why is Saitama in the back? Who's this guy? I don't know. Guys, please comment below if you guys know who this guy is for the 13th volume. It's not bad. It's not bad, not bad at all. This is volume 14. This is my most favorite cover page. This looks awesome, and like the texture is amazing for this book. I got this book on a very cheap price, so I'm very happy with the texture I got. This is book 15, and this is book 16. I don't know who this old man is, but okay. This is book 16. As you guys can see, there are some class B and A heroes behind. This is book 17, Zombie Man. He looks amazing. This is the back. Zombie Man is fire, not gonna lie. This is book 18. As you guys can see, this is book 18. This is book 19. As you guys can see. This is book 20. As you guys can see. And this is 21. This is the last one that's there in the box set. So you guys might think I only have 21 volumes, but I actually have 23. I ordered 22 and 23 on Amazon and I got 22 today. So this is 22. This is perfect condition. I got it from Amazon for about 700 rupees. Look at the inside, is amazing. Am I right? So guys, I'm gonna explain the story while I arrange my books back inside the set. Let me just keep this here. So, we have this hero called Saitama who does hero stuff for fun, as he was very bored with his normal life. So he started doing hero for fun. He was basically, when he was not strong, he was a businessman who was doing stuff in office. What business people do, I would not know. But he was having a really boring life until he saw a monster called Crabman, I assume. And there's this boy, Chin Boy, or whatever his name is, Double Chin Boy. He basically drew something on this monster called Crabman. And Crabman got really mad. So he started looking for Double Chin Man or Double Chin Child, whatever. And once he found him, he was gonna kill him. But Saitama interfered and saved the Double Chin Man, surprisingly, somehow. And he vowed to save everyone else. So he trained every single day for 3 whole years until he became One Punch Man. That is the story of Saitama. Like, this is crazy. I am so happy to have this book set. I'm actually very happy. I'll buy more volumes later. That was such a great box set. If you guys want a box set just like this, I'll give you the link in the description. Until then, like, subscribe, and have a great day. Goodbye.